So in today's video, we have the Cohorted Box. This subscription box comes from the UK, so it comes across the pond. So if you want to see what's inside, here are my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the money? Then keep on watching. All right, let me open her up because it just came in. I will leave the prices and everything either on the screen or down in the description box because I always forget. This is always in pounds. So if I do mess up and say dollars because I am from the US, I mean pounds. Okay. Oh, I never open it up right. So it is a box inside a box. And a lot of times they do like collabs and stuff, which I think it's really nice that they do that. And this says Glam & Co. So we shall see. Let's open her up. Alrighty, so it comes with the famous black box that it always comes with every month. Then it always comes like this with this nice sticker on there. Always comes packaged very nice, so we like that. Okay, so you have this thing right here. It used to come like in a brochure, but now you can do this where it says scan me. But what I do like, last month they start telling you everything that's on here and giving prices, so at least I can do that. But I like the fact that they do have this little barcode here, so you can go in and read a little bit more about it. You know what I mean? There's a lot of stuff in here this month. There's a little sneak peek. Not too much, you know, I like to tease a little bit.
That was stupid.
Okay, so let's see what we got. It says total box is 260 pounds and 40 cents. Okay, the first thing is from Rodial, and you guys know Rodial, she expensive, right? So this is a jelly eye patch, so you just get one of them to try. And I don't know if it's going to be on here. Sometimes the sample ones, oh yeah, so they're 9 pounds for one of them. And I ain't surprised because Rodial is expensive. A lot of these look like sample sizes, and some of these I've already got before. So let's see. So this is from Philip Kingsley. This is a deep conditioner treatment. Okay, for your hair. Let's see. So this is 10 pounds. All right, all right. Hopefully they have a shampoo too, because I love it when they have shampoo and conditioner. So this is from Avant, and this is another expensive thing. And this is, what is this? Pink Orchid Subtle Restore and Overnight Serum. Okay, sometimes the print is so small, I can't read it. And I'm almost scared to see how much this is. This right here, this little thing is 92 pounds. Damn! Holy crap, I can hear it like it's like watery serum. But I like serum, so I'll definitely use it. But I would just never pay 92, like, I don't know. I just don't know. Okay, so then we have this. It looks like a little lipstick, like a little baby lipstick. I don't even know who this is by. Let's see. I need to go get my glasses. Hold the phone. Okay, so let's see if I can read it now. This says, what? I still can't read it. Something lipstick. Amateur lipstick? Let's see. Oh, it has that little barcode, that little sticker here. So let me get my knife. Okay, so this is from Illamask, and this is $12. So this has to be a sample. Look at that. That's all you get. It's a beautiful shade for $12. I like it how it goes up like that, so it goes right, you know, like you can line your lips. Now, I don't knock these little baby little samples because I never go through a full lipstick because I just have so many. So I'd rather get something like this. Do you know what I mean? And they're great for your pocketbook. And oh, that's beautiful. That's just gorgeous. Love that. So I think the shade name is Antimatter. I think that's what it says. I don't know. Then we have another little baby lipstick from Laura Mercier. And how much is this puppy? $12. And what shade is this? My God, I cannot read these shades. It says 460 Rouge Ultimate or Old Time. I'm not sure what it says. Oh, here it goes again. Let me cut that little sticker. Okay. Ooh, So that's what you get. And it's like it's a red, but it's like a blue tone red, blue base. I don't know how you say it. Oh, that's just gorgeous. That is right up my alley, and it's very creamy. Wow, this is nice. I see why it's $12 for this little bitty thing. Okay. Some people always ask me why I always do this. Many years ago, in 2005, I was in a really bad car accident, and so I really did a number to my lower back. So when I sit for a while, it's like I gotta like move or something, you know what I mean? Because I feel that pain that goes down my leg. So that's why I do that. I know some of you guys always ask me that. All right, anyway, what else we got? We got this Spackle Mist from Laura Geller. And I got this before too because they curated with, or they collabed with Laura Geller before. So it's weird. But I might have not got this exactly. I think I got like the Spackle primer for your face. This is $12.50 and it's a mist, you know, so you mist your face. This is good for like powders and stuff, you know, and then you take your dampened beauty blender and like you push it in that way, you know, it kind of like melts in your face. So, okay, like that. Then we have this Pretzel and Mortar. It's a pure Hyaluronic Serum. I know this company is definitely from the UK. And this is 12 pounds. For some reason, I thought it was going to be more. So you slide it out. So here's a little serum here. So this has to be a little sample size, but it's pure hyaluronic acid. And I'll definitely use this for like under my eyes and stuff like that. All right, so the next thing is from Overum. This is a body oil. I love me some body oils. Yes, I do. And this is 18 pounds. That's not bad because if I really like it, I can afford it, you know? And so this is glass too. So you don't get a whole lot. It must be like a little sample. I think that's what this box is like a bunch of samples so you could just try different stuff. But this is enough to try to see if you like it. And I also like body oils because I give it to my husband. My husband has really dry skin. So I usually give him like the oils and or the dry oils, like the spray, you know. But winter time's coming and I like this. I like it for my legs and stuff, you know. All right, so the next thing we got is from Wow, and this is the Dream Coat, and I did receive this before as well. I got a full size, I think, because they also collabed with Wow. It's called Oh Wow. It's like a hair care, and this puppy is, okay, so it's from Color Wow, not Oh Wow. Color Wow, and this is 12 pounds. And it's a spray, and it's like to give you some shine and stuff in your hair, so I still have some left, so I'll see if like somebody wants it in my family. If not, I'll put this in a future giveaway. I just don't like putting stuff like this in a giveaway just in case. I mean, I can put tape around it, but I'm always scared if it leaks or something, you know? Okay, so the next thing is from Emma Hardy, and this is a clay detox mask. It's purifying pink clay detox mask. And we've been getting a lot of like face masks and different subscriptions lately. And this little puppy right here is 15 pounds. And it feels like maybe you can try it once, maybe twice. Okay, so the next thing is from Laura Mercier. And this is a mascara. And this is $5, £5.50. It's the Caviar Volume Mascara. I don't think I've ever tried this before. So, all right. And you guys know I'm a hashtag natural ash type of gal. So, I love getting mascara. All right, and there's two more things. The next thing is from Loctane, if I'm saying that right. This is a beautiful color, blue. And what would you be? Oh, it's a cream for 8 pounds. So, okay. Let's open her up and see what's in here. How much you get. Oh, it has a safety seal. But as I'm looking in, like this is a base inside another little tube. So you get very little. Like this is making it seem like it's big. But inside, you know what I mean? It's another thing, like the packaging. They try to trick you sometimes. So how much was that? $12? I mean, like you could probably use this just a few times, you know? And last but not least is a full-size item, and this is a bronzing glow liquid. Rouge Bunny Rouge. What in the world? So yeah, that's the company, Rouge Bunny Rouge. It's a bronzing glow liquid, and it's 42 pounds and 40 cents. And that's what she looks like. It says, as if it were summer still, bronzing glow liquid. So I'm surmising it's like maybe a tanning cream, which I'll have to look more into it. I'll scan it, and I'm like sweating with this hoodie on, and see like what it is. I thought at first maybe it was like a cream bronzer, but I don't think that's what it is. So I'll see what it is. If it's that, then I'll see if somebody wants it, because I don't use these, but we shall see. So let's recap everything that's in the box for this month. This is for November. So you have the bronzing thing. You have the body oil. You have the serum from Avant, which is $90-something. You have the clay mask. You have a pure hyaluronic acid, or serum, which I'm happy to get. You have a mist from Laura Geller. You have a Laura Geller mascara. You have a hair spray, like a spray to make shine, you know, for your hair. And you have 2 mini lipsticks, one from Illamask and one from Laura Geller. And then you have a cream. Oh, and then you have the Rodial Snake Eyes. So this is basically like a skincare. You get a couple makeup products, and I mean, the lipsticks are really pretty. So what do I think of this month? It's not my favorite. And I don't like the fact that we did get some of the brands that we already had before when they did a full like collab with this company, with this brand. Do you know what I mean? Like, we already had a Laura Geller collab, so it was all Laura Geller products. We already had the Color Wow, you know, so that's the kind of stuff it's like, you know, I don't like getting. We already had a Avant collab, you know, it was all Avant products. So it looks like they just kind of like threw some stuff in here. However, saying that, it is different products. It is not the same products, except for the only thing was that hair thing that I did receive before. Everything else was different. It's just from the same brand, if that makes sense. So I don't know. You know, I had better months, and this is quite expensive. So if I had a chance to skip it, I would definitely skip this month. But like I said, this has hits and misses, and some of the boxes are really, really good. But let me know what you think. Would you rather get a bunch of samples so that way you can use them and go through them? I don't mind samples anymore. I used to hate getting samples. But when you pay this much for a box, you don't want to get a box full of samples, even though they did put extra products in here. Like, normally you don't get as many, but you guys know what I mean. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know down below what you think of this month's box. Would you pay for this if you got this, or would you skip it? Do you know what I'm saying? Let me know down below. All right, guys, that is everything. Please like this video. It really does help me out, and it only takes a second. Don't forget to let me know how your day is going. And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.